Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create an island flashlight, aka one of the brightest flashlight ever, DIY. Come on, let's do it. Here, the things we needed are two pieces of 18650 battery, which is a salvage from old laptop battery pack, and XL6009 module, which is a DC to DC step-up converter, and a TP4056 module, which is used to charge this 18650 battery, and an on-off switch, and this LED panel, which is I have salvaged from an old LED bulb like this. Whereas the SMPS board inside this is only damaged, so I put this LED panel to some use. Okay guys, what else we need? We need a multimeter to check the voltage, and we need this soldering iron. And what else we need, guys? Yeah, knowledge. Nah, just kidding, guys. Okay, let's assemble them together. Before that, we have to do some voltage calculation for this LED panel. Let's do it. Look at it. How many single LEDs are there? 15 LEDs. Okay, 15 LEDs are there. Each LED consumes about 3 voltage. Each LED consumes about 3 voltage, which means 15 LED consumes about 45 volt. And we are going to achieve the 45 volt with the help of this step-up converter. Initially in the assembling process, let me explain the battery connections. This is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal, and we have to connect the two 1860 battery in parallel with each other like this. And now we are going to get the operating voltage for this LED panel with the help of this boost converter. Here I have connected the 18650 battery with the step-up converter and the step-up converter with the multimeter. Now let's turn on the multimeter. As I have already set the voltage about 46 voltage, you guys can adjust the voltage by just turning the screw in the top of here the screw which is here, this screw. Let me show it. As I am turning, the voltage is increasing. We need only 45 voltage, so let me set it around 45.8. okay, that's it. Okay, let me show you the circuit diagram for this. This here is the circuit diagram. The battery pack, which is connected in parallel to each other, and we have to take one connection from the battery pack to the recharge circuit, and we have to take another two connections from the terminals, and this is a switch we have used. And then after the switch, we have to connect the terminals to the step-up converter, and then the output of the positive terminal of the step-up converter should be connected to this brightness control module, which is a B47K potentiometer. With this we can control the brightness of the LED panel, and then the positive terminal should be connected to the positive terminal of the LED panel, and the negative, and we have to connect directly the negative to the negative terminal of the LED panel. And this is the potentiometer that I have used in my device. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, after achieving the rated voltage with the use of multimeter, I have assembled all the materials together, and this is how the final product looks like. Let's see through it. This is the 18650 battery, and I have placed the step up converter above here, and the LED panel here. Here's the TP4056 circuit, which is the recharging circuit for the battery, and here's a switch, and this is the potentiometer that I have used for the brightness control of this LED panel. You guys have questioned why instead of using this switch I have used this one, because this is bigger in size, which is easy to operate. And I have a very important note for you guys. The step up converter here needs a kick in voltage to start up and requires some time to achieve the rated voltage, whereas this LED, when you switched on, initially glows a little bit dimmer, okay, then only it achieves fullest brightness, which is 45 voltage, achieves full brightness when the step up voltage achieves the 45 voltage. And another important note for you guys for safety: never ever make direct eye contact with this LED panel, okay, or else I think you know coffin, guys, right? Welcome to my mini garden. Watch. Tada! As I said, the step up converter needs some kick in voltage, so it took its time. This is how this one looks like. Never ever make the eye contact, as I said. So this is how my island flashlight looks like, and let's check with the mobile flashlight. This is how my mobile flashlight looks like. This one. Let's do some brightness control. Full brightness. Okay guys, bye.